It's now week 6 since I've been here, obviously not in the flat, but just in generally. So I thought I will share some of the experiences I've done. To be honest, generally I've been working a lot and I have been working out, training. As you know, I'm doing my 12-week transformation challenge and I'm actually halfway through it, and the results are actually pretty good. I'm very happy. And yeah, I'm living in this apartment. I love it. It's very, very nice. I'm not swimming as much as I should, and I want to in the pool. So I really need to change that. And you know, I've been here for so long, and the time is literally just flying. I am actually really enjoying Mexico more than I ever thought I would. I don't know. I just can't believe I'm here, and I can't believe how much I love it. You know, some friends are messaging me saying if I'm bored or I'm lonely, and I don't have time to do anything. Like I'm so busy, I don't have time to be bored or lonely. I mean, it's Mexico. There's so much to do here, so much to see. I'm not even seeing or doing half of the things that I can, mainly because I have so many projects going on and they are all super exciting, and I have my courses running as well right now, and it's all kind of amazing. But I am planning to, you know, take more time off. Like tomorrow I'm actually going to a whole box. It's different island. Very, very excited. I'm going there for 3 days, so it's like my mini vacation. And last week I went to do a traditional Mexican Temazcal, or Temazcal, if I'm saying it right, experience where you go into a really, really hot type of base sauna in darkness, complete darkness, and you sing and scream inside there. It's a bit of a weird one, I'm not gonna lie. And then you jump into really ice cold cenotes. I have recorded a video to share with you, so you'll see it in the next minute or so. But I just wanted to update you all. I'm feeling a lot better mentally. I'm not as stressed, but I am realizing that I have been really stressed in the last 2 years, and just by being here I realized how much more relaxed I am, and I still got a really long way to go to reach to that level where I would actually want to be at, you know, just more relaxed and chilled. And yeah, so yeah, I just thought I'll do a quick update. I'm sorry it's late, but it's better late than never. I'm gonna just upload the video now for you guys and head to bed, and of course update you in the coming weeks. Hi guys, so I have just arrived in this super tiny village, and it actually only has 40 people living here. So it's like a really small village, and we're doing this whole ceremony here today, which I decided to do. It's like spiritual healing ceremony with like a Mexican type of sauna, and then I don't know what we're gonna do. And then we're gonna and then we're gonna have like the traditional dinner, which is like chicken, and we're gonna jump from hot sauna, like I don't think it's like a sauna, into the cold cenotes, like diving, and we're gonna go, but I'll show you everything.
Попробуйте чай.
Muchas gracias.
Muchas gracias.
Или тебя?
So guys, this is where we're gonna dive cenotes over there underground at night. So yeah, and this is our local restaurant for later.
Для всей семьи. Почему у кабани такой размер? Размер этой кабани.
This is someone's flat where the whole family lives.
Удобно было растянуть гамак из посудная тыква.
A local rolling pin.
Нет, она не размокает.
Just look at that.
Это
Meat grinder.
веревка из сизаля, агава, которая растет здесь практически везде в Мексике, сделана. Это построено как гостевой дом. Что такое гостевой дом, когда...
Guys, this is my first tortilla. Apparently it's made only with corn and water, so there is nothing else. The way she makes it looks really easy, but the dough is actually super thin and easily breaks apart, so it's quite challenging to work with this dough, I would say.
Ah, надуйся, надуйся, надуйся. We are somewhere in the middle of the jungles making. What? This is a representative of a local culture.
He's actually Mexican. He's the only Mexican
Yes.
here.
He is exactly. So a very unique individual.
Making 30, yes. And yeah, look, this is the final product. There it is.
Oh my God, this is my product, by the way.
It actually smells really
Yeah.
like nice.
Guess who made it? This guy made it. Me made it.
Muy bien.
Muy bien.
Muy bien.
Hala, what do you think about this product?
I'm gonna try it.
Денис, я быстрее
It's
тебя
very hot.
сделаю.
1 second.
She's eating my food.
Sorry, is this yours? Yeah.
Все остальное не важно.
Ты раньше меня начал. На 10 секунд.
Number 3, guys.
Yeah, it's actually.
Ну, который мы делали вручную, мы съели.
Таня их съела.
Они делают.
Таня,
Ну, моя лучшая, честно.
смотри, я торти нашел.
Guys, so we just finished the ceremony. I'm not gonna lie, this was nothing I've ever done before. It was definitely quite intense. It was basically like a stone type of, sauna, and it was in complete darkness. So they closed the doors and they would put like really hot stones in the middle, and then put like water on top of there, and then they would like sprinkle us with water and stuff like that, and we were shouting and singing. It was really, really weird experience, but also kind of cool. It was pretty tough. It was 40 minutes long, and on the third round of singing, I started to feel quite like, I was like, oh my God, I don't think I can handle this, because you can kind of leave if you like clap, if you can't like breathe anymore, and I was trying to like convince my brain that I can breathe. And then we got sprayed with some tea or something, and then we had to jump into ice cold cenotes in the dark and swim with literally bats upstairs. Like, if you want to say I was out of my comfort zone, definitely. Now we're going for dinner, and yeah, I do have a bit of a headache, and that was intense. Anyway, I will show you what we're eating. I think it's like traditional chicken dish, and yeah, very crazy. I've done so many experiences in my life, and I've never done anything like this.